And when a case gets to that final stage for a contested hearing of the application, what test does the court apply in determining whether a final order for a family violence intervention order should be made or not?
Well, generally the court has a twofold responsibility, and that is A, to establish whether or not family violence did occur and whether family violence was likely to occur in the future. And the test from a legal perspective is the balance of probabilities. And it doesn't take much, given the very, very broad definition of family violence in the state legislation. It doesn't take much for the court to find, A, there's been family violence, and B, there may be family violence in the future. Of course, we're talking about family violence in a broad context, but it can include emotional violence, economic violence or economic abuse, preventing someone's access to a bank account, for argument's sake. So it doesn't just center on physical violence. There can be emotional, psychological, and economic, which is often the case. Well, often intervention orders have a flavour of all of that, in that they have many of those factors in the definition of family violence which are alive and kicking in